Welcome back to Smart Living. Today we are looking at 5 incredible kitchen gadgets that will save you time and effort. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Multifunctional Garlic Crusher. Say goodbye to smelly hands with this multifunctional garlic crusher. This manual press allows you to roll and crush garlic cloves effortlessly in seconds. It's a must-have home appliance for every kitchen. Number 2. Cherry and Olive Pit Remover. Pitting cherries has never been easier. This handy tool removes seeds from cherries and olives instantly without damaging the fruit. It's the perfect vegetable and fruit tool for healthy snacking and baking. Number 3. Anti-Scald Pot Spoon Holder. Keep your counters clean with this silicone pot clip holder. It attaches directly to your pot, providing a heat-resistant grip for your spoons and spatulas. No more messy drips on the stove. It's an essential kitchen accessory for a tidy and organized cooking experience. Number 4. Manual Sausage Stuffer Machine. Making homemade sausages is now a breeze with this manual sausage stuffer machine. This meat grinder and filler comes with multiple tubing units, allowing you to create different sizes of sausages for your family barbecue or dinner. It is designed for easy manual operation, giving you full control over the meat filling process for a professional result. The sturdy build ensures stability while you work, and the stainless steel parts make it hygienic and easy to clean after use. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this homemade production tool is perfect for creating fresh, healthy sausages right in your own kitchen without any preservatives. Number 5. Stainless Steel Sink Drain Rack. Upgrade your sink area with this 304 stainless steel drain rack. This foldable and retractable rack is perfect for drying bowls, dishes, and even rinsing vegetables. Its heavy-duty material is rust-proof and fits almost any sink size. When you're done, just fold it away to save space. A smart and durable solution for a clutter-free kitchen. Which of these gadgets do you need the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Living for more smart home solutions. See you in the next one.